Assalamu alaikum. I am Mushtaq Tariq, student of MSc Honours Food Technology at University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. The purpose of this video is to present my research which I carried during my MSc under the supervision of Dr. Muhammad Issa Khan. My research topic was preparation and quality assessment of traditional Balochi dried meat, Landhi. First of all, what is dried meat? Dried meat refers to whole muscle meat that has undergone dehydration that will inhibit the growth of microbial and biochemical reactions. The drying method is one of the oldest preservation techniques used to increase the shelf life of food. So here is the purpose of research. The purpose of my research was to check the effect of pomegranate seed powder that increase the shelf life of dried meat. Mutton meat known for its nutritional benefits including the lower levels of saturated fats, cholesterol and higher levels of polyunsaturated fatty acids, amino acids, iron, potassium and vitamin B12. The research sought to address the issues by incorporating pomegranate seed powder, which is rich in phenolic compounds and possesses strong antioxidant properties. Then comes to the methodology that what I did during my research. First of all, mutton meat, pomegranate seed powder and salt were procured from the supermarket. The meat were washed and sliced into pieces and dipped into a brine solution with pomegranate seed powder for 2 minutes. After that, meat were hanged for sun drying. Sun drying of sample was done with 10 days. All the analysis was completed 21 days after the drying process. That is 0 days, 7 days, 14 days and 21 days. The weight of mutton meat was 250 gram before the sun drying. After the sun drying process, the weight of the meat was decreased. In my research, brine solution raw mutton meat is same for all the treatment and there is variation in pomegranate seed powder for all the treatments. Salt concentration is same for all the treatments. Then comes to the results. The results demonstrated that pomegranate seed powder significantly reduced the moisture content, which is crucial for extending the shelf life of the dried meat. The antioxidant properties of pomegranate seed powder inhibited lipids and protein oxidation, major causes of spoilage. Sensory evaluations revealed that pomegranate seed powder treated dried meat had improved flavor, texture and overall acceptability compared to untreated samples. The study concludes that pomegranate seed powder is an effective natural biopreservative that enhances the preservation, nutritional value and sensory quality of traditional Balochi dried meat. Let's come the antioxidant effects of pomegranate seed powder. Due to its natural properties, pomegranate seed powder may affect the moisture content of the dried meat. Pomegranate seed powder is known for its high content of polyphenols and other antioxidant compounds, which can contribute to the preservation of dried meat by inhibiting lipids oxidation. When pomegranate seed powder is applied to dried meat, it enhances the antioxidant capacity of the meat, leading to improved stability and shelf life. Pomegranate seed powder can interact with the meat's protein and lipids, that preventing oxidative damage during the drying process. The effect of storage on the salt content of prepared dried meat with the addition of pomegranate seed powder can be influenced by various factors, including the properties of the pomegranate seed powder, the initial salt content, and the storage conditions. So these are the key findings of my research. The findings revealed that the meat treated with pomegranate seed powder was favorably received with improved flavor and enhanced sensory attributes compared to the untreated control samples. The study concludes that pomegranate seed powder is an effective natural biopreservative that can significantly improve the preservation, nutritional value and sensory quality of traditional Balochi dried meat. Thank you.